Gay rights, okay, bitch? Like fucking gay rights. Fucking gay rights. Listen to my t-shirt. Look at my fucking t-shirt. It's fucking gay. I love thrifting because the fashion industry really cared about what they made back then. I might be wrong, but the craftsmanship and the attention to detail were amazing compared to now. We found ways to make garments faster, and brands will try to pump out products as fast as possible, so the attention detail is rarely there. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, what? Wow, I fucking slayed that intro. I don't want to be a professional YouTuber, so scratch that. I want to do the intro again. When I say that this haul is huge, I really fucking mean it. I went to so many different vintage stores and thrift stores to hunt for these items for the past 2 months. I love thrifting because the fashion industry really care about what they made back then. I mean, I might be wrong, but the craftsmanship and the attention to detail were amazing compared to now. But anyways, I'm not going to keep the intro long because I have a lot to show you guys. So let's jump into the video. Before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back, and you can see some of these items on me because I will be posting photos a lot on there. Other than that, let's go. So since I went to multiple different vintage and thrift stores, I will show you items based on these stores I went to instead of putting these items in a particular order. Okay, so I went vintage shopping in Melrose, Los Angeles, and I found two items, that's four. And I found two items that I love so much. The first item is this pair of trousers from Levi's. When I found these trousers, I thought they were cute because of the baby blue minty color, and because the fabric is very high quality. I looked at the price and I was confused as to why they cost $30, but it turned out they are from Levi's. I immediately made my decision and bought them because fuck yeah, they're from fucking Levi's, so I can't miss out on that. When it comes to Levi's, the quality is the best. Whenever I go vintage or thrift shopping and I find pants in my size, I never leave the item behind because it's really hard to find them. I love the way they fit, and I really like the color. It looks kind of minty on camera, but it's like a very muted baby blue color. So I'll be able to wear these with different tops I own. I will try not to get them dirty, but these are so fucking cute. The next item that I also found at the same store is this super chic fedora hat. I also have a hard time finding hats in my size, and I was very surprised that this fits my head really well. When I first saw the hat hanging on the rack, I just put it on for fun because it was giving me a Joanne vibe. Do you guys see it? It's literally Joanne. But then I look in the mirror and I was like, oh shit, hold on. Like, this looks really good on me. I really love this. So I decided to get this hat also. The price is also a little pricey. $25, but it was worth it because vintage hats are always very high quality. This is also 100% wool, so I understand why it's kind of expensive, but $25 for a hat that looks like this and it fits me perfectly, I think it's a good price. Okay, so let's talk about the shirt first. I know it looks very costumey, but I can definitely change the vibe of this item by wearing these with jeans or some cute shorts. I think this shirt is going to be perfect for me to wear in the summer. I would not wear anything under, just this sailor shirt, and I'm ready for the summer. I found these wide leg plaid pants for 18 bucks. The fabric feels rough, but it doesn't feel itchy or harsh when I put them on. I like everything about these pants except the elastic waist. It makes it a little harder for me if I want to tuck my shirt inside because it looks kind of funny showing the elastic waist. But other than that, I know that these will look really, really chic with my sweater vest and some boots. I'm looking forward to wear these hopefully soon because summer is approaching. I have always wanted a furry type of fedora hat. I have seen them in old Hollywood movies and TV shows all the time. And this time I found one. It is this black wool fedora hat with a furry trim. I love everything about this hat. It gives me everything I wanted and more. I feel very cunty wearing this hat. Look at this. Like, oh my god, like I feel so fucking cunty. I feel like, bitch, you're not gonna fuck with me kind of look. And I feel like a character in Clueless when I wear this hat too. Like I love that it's a rounded top fedora hat. Also, if you look at the top part, it's rounded up here instead of flat. And very different from the other fedora hats I own, including the one I just showed you guys earlier. And the price for this hat is $50, you guys. I found this at a vintage store and it cost me 50 bucks. It is very expensive because it's made of wool. And I'm just gonna assume that the fur is real fur, which is fucking bad. But then again, I got this in a vintage store, so please forgive me. But yeah, I love, love, love everything about this hat. This hat is going to be my bitch. Like, this hat is just one of those items that I'm gonna adore forever because it looks so fucking cool. And when I put it on, bitch, you wanna try me? Because I fucking cut you. With my look, of course, I'm not gonna cut you with a fucking knife because why would I do that? Okay, now that we got the vintage store items over with, let's take a look at what I got from the thrift store. So these items were way cheaper, much more affordable. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's go. The first thrift store I went to this past weekend was a Salvation Army. I found this vintage blazer right here. I know, enough with the fucking blazers. But this time I'll do something risky with this. I'm going to crop this blazer. I have been following this girl on Instagram. Her style is fucking amazing. She is so chic. I won't be able to pronounce her name, but her page is right here. So you can take a look at her page right here. Her information will be in the description box as well. She wears a lot of cute crop blazers and it looks like she cropped them herself. So I got this blazer for $5 and now I'm going to crop it too. So let's do it and we will see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so as of right now, the blazer looks like this. It actually fits me really well. It looks like it's in my size even. I don't have any blazer in this color, so I really, really like this color as well. So if I fucking fail with cropping this blazer, I will never, ever forgive myself. I think I might have cropped it a little bit too short. The moment of truth. Oh my god, you guys! It looks so good. Wait, okay, hold on a minute. I really thought I botched this shit, but it looks so cool. And I also love that the hem is raw. It is definitely a statement piece. It is. And as you guys can see, I pair it with my Levi trousers. Hold on, this look kind of fucking snap. Okay, so this was a success. Period. So similar to my last haul, I told you guys that I have been craving more hoodies lately, especially oversized ones. They're so fucking comfortable, and I found this hoodie in this really cute plum color. It is so pretty. Like, I love the color so much, and it is oversized, of course, and very cozy. I love it a lot, and every time I put it on, I don't want to take it off. So I got this hoodie for only $4. Definitely worth the price, and I know that I will get a lot of use out of this. So something like this you would find at a thrift store, and it's definitely worth it to get it because it's just such a simple piece that you can wear every day. Another item that I found at this Salvation Army is this pair of trousers right here that also come with an elastic waist, but they are still a little bit too big for me. I would definitely try to take them in a little bit just so they can fit me a little better, but also I think I'm just gonna wear these under a lot of... Fuck! These pants are giving me the retired grandma who goes grocery shopping vibe. They are so comfortable and easy to move around. The color is really fun to look at. It's very nice. I love this purple tone. I would definitely wear these with my hoodie that I showed you guys earlier, and I'm ready to hit the grocery store as well. I got these pants for $6, so super cheap comparing to my $30 Levi trousers that I found at the vintage store. So I decided to buy some more ties. I bought this super pretty tie in this green color. Like, look at this. It looks so cute. And it's really big. Right here, I love big ties like this. So when I wear it, I want it to be like up here. Like in the middle of my body instead of all the way down here. And then I also got this really slim stripe one. Like, look at this one. This one is different than this one because this one is way bigger and this one is just like super slim. So a little bit more modern looking. I really don't want to go into detail with how I want to wear these because of course they go on your fucking neck. But anyways, I got both for $6, so $3 for each. Not bad at all. Okay, the last two items I found are from Savers. I bought these Levi jeans. I got these in size 29. Not my size, but I'm okay with wearing jeans a size or two sizes bigger than my actual size because jeans that are tight around the waist is very uncomfortable. Again, Levi jeans are the best fucking jeans in my opinion. I also love the fit of these jeans. Just simply straight cut, no bullshit. I am avoiding skinny jeans at all costs. I really did not know why skinny jeans were a thing back then. Kind of fucking disgusting. Like why did I even hop on that fucking trend? That was so... Anyways, I got these Levi jeans for $5. $5 fucking dollars. Can you believe it? And this is why I love thrifting because every time I get to find like an item like this, I get so satisfied. I'm like, oh, I fucking win. I win this competition. Okay, so the last item that I'm about to show you guys is very special to me. Listen, personally, okay? Personally, I like seeing t-shirts with LGBTQ plus sayings or graphics on other people, but not on me because I just simply think that it would look corny on me almost because if you look at me, it's like Yes, you're fucking gay. Of course you want gay rights. Unless you hate being gay. Come on now, like I'm a fucking like I don't need to wear a t-shirt that says that I'm a on my t-shirt. Right? But I have found the perfect t-shirt. It is this gay rights t-shirt. You guys, look at the fucking graphic. It's so good. I fucking love this t-shirt. It's so funny. The graphic is very subtle. And it says right here, don't care, be happy. And I got this in an extra large size, but I really love wearing oversized t-shirts, so I really give zero shits. I just wanted to rock this t-shirt. It's very cute and not like screaming in your face like, gay rights, okay bitch, like fucking gay rights. Fucking gay rights. Listen to my t-shirt. Look at my fucking t-shirt. It's fucking gay rights. It's not like that. It's very like, gay rights, like super cute, like I got this tee for only $3. Only $3 for this tee, so definitely fucking worth it. Worth my $3. I am so excited to wear this t-shirt. I can't wait to fucking wear this and just be like, gay rights, like, what the fuck am I even talking about? Anyway, it doesn't fucking make sense, but I hope you guys understand the message that I'm trying to say here. Like, I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, follow me on Instagram at berry.snatch. I will definitely follow you back. Can you guys believe it? I almost hit 1 year for this channel and we have made it so far. Not just me, but you guys too. Thank you so much for sticking around with me for so long. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!